Introducing the XP Power ECM100US12-XA0203A power supply, part number 100102008C, designed for reliable operation in Micros workstation systems. This high-quality power supply delivers stable and efficient power to support smooth workstation performance. Its compact construction makes it suitable for installation in space-limited electronic and industrial equipment. Built by XP Power, the ECM100US12-XA0203A offers dependable voltage regulation, durable performance, and protection against common electrical disturbances. It is an ideal replacement power supply for maintaining or repairing compatible Micros workstation systems. Choose the XP Power ECM100US12-XA